Goldberg looking at the jackhammer. A jackhammer to Lesnar. Here's
Do you think that Goldberg can? This is over 400 pounds. This is. For a jackhammer. 400 pounds. Goldberg looking to go for a jackhammer, but there. Oh my God, he did it!